These are the settings like any other flashlight. You got low, medium, and high, and of course turbo. And you just press the button twice and you'll get the turbo. So you'll figure it out. Push the button once, twice, 3 times, and you go through the modes. Double click, put you to turbo. All flashlights are just about the same when it comes to, the way that you ignite the light. When you first turn on the light, you have to hold down the button for about 2 seconds, depending on whether you want to use the main light or the side light here. Each button you have to hold down for about 2 to 3 seconds. If not, when you push the button slightly, it just gives you that neon green standby effect. All right, this must be like a standby neon type effect that you get. So I'm gonna use this for now. Let's get into real darkness. Here we go. Now, this is the low setting. We got the spotlight. We'll see how it works in a tactical situation where we're coming up from behind and we gotta turn a corner and then boom. Not bad, not bad. Low light ain't bad on the spot. And let's see how we look on the flood. The light has the option to open up, and I think that's pretty cool. So we're gonna see how it looks coming in a tactical situation. On the left, what do we got? Nothing. Nothing, all clear, all clear. Not a bad light, this is the low setting. So let's just play with the settings a little bit. So we're gonna use a side light to go back, and yeah, these flashlights, they all kind of work the same, low, medium, high, double press to get to the turbo. This side light has a whole separate button, whole separate function, and it's a great light. I will see how, wow, it's also magnetic. That's another thing. I love how it's magnetic. You can use the charging cable as a lanyard. Gives you a little bit more control holding on to the light. Pretty cool. My first flashlight that came with its own lanyard, that's a charging cable with a seatbelt cutter. Not a bad deal.